Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So we have given 5 power x times 5 power x equals 70 and we have to find the value of x. So let's start with today's video solution. So in the first step, we will combine powers with same base, add the exponents. So here 5 power x plus x equals 70. So 5 power 2x equals 70. Now take logarithmic on both sides. So log 5 power 2x is equals to log 70. According to log rule, log a power b, I can write it as b log a. So 2x log 5 is equals to log 70. 2x is equals to log 70 by log 5. 2x is equals to log 70 is approximately 1.8451 and the log 5 is approximately 0.6990. So x is equals to 1.8451 by 2 times 0.6990. So x is equals to 1.8451 by 1.3980. So x is approximately 1.319. This is our final answer. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So don't forget to share your feedback through like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.